Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical guides to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to send money to Bancolombia from the US in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to family in Colombia, paying for services, or handling international business, this step-by-step process will get you sorted quickly and securely. Let's dive right in. First off, why Bancolombia? It's one of Colombia's largest banks, offering reliable services for receiving money from abroad. In 2025, with new digital advancements, sending money is faster than ever, but always check for the latest regulations and fees. Step 1. Choose your transfer method. Options include services like Wise, Remitly, or even direct bank transfers via apps like Zelle or PayPal. Wise is a popular choice because it often has low fees and great exchange rates. Remember, in 2025, look for providers that integrate with Bancolombia's updated API for seamless transactions. Step 2. Set up your account. If you're using an app like Wise, download it, create an account, and link your US bank or debit card. Make sure to verify your identity. Most services require this for security reasons to prevent fraud. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details. You'll need the recipient's full name, Bancolombia account number, and possibly their bank's SWIFT code. Double-check everything to avoid delays. In 2025, some services might allow you to scan a QR code directly from the Bancolombia app for extra accuracy. Step 4. Review and send. Before hitting that confirm button, check the exchange rate and any fees. For example, if you're sending $500 USD, you might get around 2 million Colombian pesos, depending on the rate. Once sent, you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Finally, track your transfer. Most services let you monitor the status in real time. Once it arrives, the recipient can access it via their Bancolombia account or ATM. A few quick tips for 2025. Always use secure Wi-Fi, enable two-factor authentication, and compare providers for the best rates. Fees can vary widely. If you're dealing with large amounts, consider consulting a financial advisor. There you have it. Sending money to Bancolombia from the US doesn't have to be a hassle. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.